What's up, guys? Today we got a special package from the man himself, Brian Barczyk. I know you guys are guessing what's in the box. If you follow me on Instagram, I probably already put on Instagram. But yeah, this is probably gonna be the best pickup of the year. Probably one of my best pickups in my collection. Period. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do the unboxing, guys. Alright guys, I'm gonna send you over to Brian Barczyk and he's gonna choose out something special for me. Here we go.
So Benny, I have been spending the last 20 minutes looking through all my male anacondas, trying to find the one that's going to bite you the most. That's not true. Truth is, I tried to find you one that's not only really beautiful, it's got beautiful colors and patterns, but also was really docile and that isn't going to bite you and stuff like that. And truthfully told, the girls down here actually helped me pick this one out. Maria in particular, she works with them more than anyone, and this is a beautiful little dude here. And as you can see, really super tame, so it's going to be good for you. So it is going in a bag. And it is on the way, and I hope that you're going to love this animal. I really appreciate you, brother. You're amazing. I will talk to you soon.
All right, guys, we're gonna do the unboxing from this package I got from Brian Barczyk. Let's see what we got here. I'm super excited about this one, guys, so I hope you guys like it also, because this is probably my best pickup of the year. Probably the best pickup in my collection, especially that's from Brian Barczyk. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Don't know what to do. Okay, here we go, guys. Oh my gosh, guys, can't believe this. All right. Let's see. As you guys know, we have a female green anaconda in our collection. Now, we picked up a male green anaconda from Brian Barczyk, the son of Ivy. I can't believe I got this guy in my collection, guys. Here, if you could see. Wow, look at the colors on him. Look at the oranges. Spectacular, guys. Wow, nice coloring. So far the temperament's pretty good on this guy. Let's try to move him around. Wow, the greens on this guy are amazing. Let me try to get this table out of the way, guys, and I'll put him a little bit closer. Wow, can you guys see that color on this guy? Probably a little stressed out from the traveling, but yeah, guys, now we got a pair of green anacondas, and this one is probably the most famous snake I got in my collection. Wow, the greens were gonna pair up well with mine. And so far his temperament's pretty good. He did say, if you saw the video, that he chose out the most aggressive one for me, which I don't see it. I know, it's just all of a joke, but you know, at this size they may tag you. Still, he still may want to bite, but yeah, he got some good size on him. It does say that he was eating rat pups, so hopefully he sticks to the rats and rodents, because I know anacondas, they tend to stick with birds when they're born, because sometimes they're trouble feeders. So yeah, guys, we got a pair of green anacondas. I'm so freaking excited. Wow, thank you so much, Brian. I really appreciate it, and everyone from BHB that, you know, their team that teamed these guys out. They did a great job. And yeah, guys, so if you didn't know, that these are the largest bodied snake in the world, so they would get the heaviest out of the giant snakes. Let me try to turn the head around so you guys can see the oranges on this guy's face. You can see the oranges there. Hopefully it's coming in. Really love this guy. Super excited about it. Wow. And this is my first snake from BHP, from Brian Barczyk. And BHP is the company where Brian Barczyk sells all his reptiles and stuff. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna try to get some weight on this guy, and hopefully in about 4 or 5 years we can breed some anacondas. If not, he's gonna be a great pet. I just want to be able to say I got a pair of green anacondas. That was always my dream. I never thought as a kid that I would have a pair of green anacondas. That's just insane. Wow. This guy's pretty tame. A little baby. A little baby, newly born green anaconda, guys. Hasn't tried biting me whatsoever so far. Beautiful. Well, thank you guys for watching my unboxing of my new male green anaconda from Brian Barczyk. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you guys for watching my videos.